Here is how you can stop photo syncing on the iPhone. Let me explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So photos synchronization basically means that you have your photos backed up to like a cloud storage, and there are even more providers which can get it done. Most likely though, it's iCloud, as it's likely turned on by default on your phone, and you can check it out in your settings app by tapping on the profile at the top. So you're gonna go to like your name and proceed to iCloud, where you can see your situation, but also the apps which can be saved and synced. Photos is most definitely one of them, and there is sync this iPhone toggle. Pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure it is turned off, and it might ask you to like delete some stuff, because if you've been backing up photos to iCloud for a while, if you disconnect from it, then the photos might disappear from your local phone app. I mean, the Photos app, right, at the gallery. So just you have to pay attention to it. Make sure you do not lose anything, but that's how you can stop the syncing process. In order to see specifically the apps, the photos which are on the iCloud only, you can use the web version of iCloud, where you go to Safari, go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID and check out the photos which are only on the iCloud. So that is a nice way to kind of like separate it and see it only for the cloud. But as I said, there are more providers which can enable the photos syncing. I personally use Google Photos. It's basically the same thing developed by Google instead. So yeah, if you need to stop that, you can also turn it off in the Google Photos app. So you can go to the settings and turn off the backup. But yeah, it's the same thing, just by a different provider. Let me know in the comments below if there is something else which you kind of had in mind. Let me know about that so I can perhaps help you further in the next videos. I have so many tutorials coming up on this channel, so I don't want you to miss them. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.